Hi. Today we will learn how to copy or save multiple texts at the same time and use later from the copy lists. Now you need not to copy each and every single time, but only once is enough to paste. So let's start. First, press Windows and Dot at the same time. When this window comes, go to Clipboard at the last. Here it will ask you to activate. Simply do it, as I have done so. The activate is not there now. Now, I am copying the first line. It can be via Ctrl+C or mouse click. To check if it's on the clipboard, press Windows and Dot. Yes, the writing is there. Now again copying the another line. And checking if it's there or not. Yes, the lines are there. Now the final task. To paste whatever you have copied, press Windows and V. The list will come and choose from here. When the texts are copied you want to paste, instead of Ctrl+V, simply press Windows V and choose the desired one. Now again, if you copy something, the texts will be there in the list. To paste, again Windows and V. Finally, you can also clear the list when needed. So, this is the super way to copy texts once and paste for unlimited times. Hope it's clear to you. Let us know further in the comment box. Please be with us and inspire us to make more videos like this. Goodbye.